What must you anticipate on the other side of this crest in the road? A. There may be a slow-moving vehicle on my side of the road. B. A vehicle may be stationary there. C. There may be an oncoming vehicle on my side of the road. The correct answers are A, B, and C. Because the road crest ahead obstructs your view, you must anticipate that there may be a slow-moving vehicle on your side of the road. A vehicle may be stationary there, and an oncoming vehicle may be on your side of the road. What must you be prepared for in this situation? A. Police regulating traffic. B. An uneven and dirty roadway. C. Workers and construction equipment on the roadway. The correct answers are B and C. In this construction zone, you must be prepared for an uneven and dirty roadway and for workers and construction equipment on the roadway. You want to turn right. What should you do? A. Check way is clear by glancing over your shoulder. B. Take the turn ahead of the cyclist. C. Allow the cyclist to pass through the junction. The correct answers are A and C. Before turning right, you must check that the way is clear by glancing over your shoulder to see any cyclists. You must also allow the cyclist to pass through the junction as they have the right of way. What should you anticipate? A. Pedestrians could cross the road in front of the van. B. The motorbike could swerve to the left. C. The person beside the van could encroach further onto the road. The correct answers are A, B, and C. You must anticipate that pedestrians could cross the road in front of the van, that the motorbike could swerve to the left, and that the person beside the van could encroach further onto the road, as all are common risks in this situation. Ahead of the motorbike, a car is seeking to reverse on the road. What should you anticipate? A. That the motorbike will suddenly brake. B. That my braking distance will be longer than normal. C. That the car continues to reverse. The correct answers are A, B, and C. You should anticipate that the motorbike will suddenly brake and that the car continues to reverse into the road. You must also remember that your braking distance will be longer than normal due to the snowy conditions. What must you be prepared for in this situation? A. That the truck driver will jump down onto the carriageway. B. That traffic signs are concealed behind the truck. C. That oncoming traffic will appear. The correct answers are A, B, and C. You must be prepared for the possibility that the truck driver will jump down onto the carriageway. that traffic signs are concealed behind the truck, and that oncoming traffic will appear from around the parked vehicle. What must you be prepared for here? A. Oncoming vehicles turning left. B. Vehicles turning onto the road. C. People walking on the road. The correct answers are A, B, and C. You must be prepared for oncoming vehicles turning left, for vehicles turning onto the road from the side, and for people walking on the road due to the nearby playground. I want to rejoin the road. What is the correct assessment of this situation? A. When they approach me from the rear, drivers only see me late. B. I only see vehicles late. C. Drivers give my priority in rejoining the road. The correct answers are A and B. When rejoining the road, drivers behind you may only see you late, and because of the parked cars, you also only see vehicles late. Why is it dangerous to carry on driving past this accident scene? A. Because secondary accidents can occur. B. Because pedestrians can be overlooked. C. Because the traffic movement situation is unclear. The correct answers are A, B, and C. It is dangerous to drive past the accident scene because secondary accidents can occur, pedestrians can be overlooked, and the traffic movement situation is unclear due to the presence of emergency vehicles and people. What must you anticipate in this situation? A. The cyclist will dismount to allow me to pass. B. The cyclist will pull out to the left. C. Oncoming traffic. The correct answers are B and C. You must anticipate that the cyclist will pull out to the left to avoid an obstruction and that there will be oncoming traffic.